Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Australia's family law framework has recognised same-sex de facto couples since 2008. The Family Law Act states that a person is in a de facto relationship with another person if they, as unrelated, unmarried adults, have a relationship as a couple living together on a genuine domestic basis. This definition applies regardless of the sex of either partner involved. In considering if a de facto relationship exists, the law takes into account several factors. These include the length of the relationship, property owned together, and if the couple has children. No single factor is determinative, and each case is different. Neither partner needs to agree with the definition for it to be legally binding. De facto couples can make their own private and legally binding agreements. These agreements can cover financial arrangements, child support, and other matters faced during a relationship or if it dissolves. Many agreements are written before a couple moves in together. Other couples make one after making a significant purchase, having a child, or ending a relationship. Some couples in a de facto relationship also have access to the family court. The court can create orders for maintenance, property division, or other matters after a relationship has ended. Court orders are legally binding and can lead to charges against those who do not follow them. However, using the family court as a legal avenue can be stressful and expensive. It's always better to take preventative steps. Here at RP Emery, we offer the tools to create binding financial agreements for your de facto relationship. Practicing the skill of honest communication about important issues such as money, property, and family is more likely to bring you closer together and prevent separation. For more information, click through to our article using the link below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.